Hi everyone, today I want to make a quick video to show you how I fixed my Gotrax G2, the front wheel noise that I've been experienced in the past 2 years. I've also shot some videos showing the sound noise. I will link somewhere here so you can go there and take a look. But basically, when riding and accelerating, the front wheel, this part, will have a noise sound, and I record the video and I contact Gotrax like 2 times and showing them the video, and what they respond is the actual motor inside making the noise, and then they sent me the motor replacement. But what happened is when I changed the motor, but the sound noise is still there. So I'm pretty sure like the sound is not coming from the motor or the wheel. So I am going to show you that in my case where the sound coming from. It probably will fix some of your problem as well. Okay, so let me show you. It's actually, in my case, it's actually the pieces in the middle here. Can you hear the sound? So what I did is I used a rubber to tight it up. So when actually, can you see the movement of this part? When actually, when I write it, it will tight and hold the vibrations. So I'm pretty sure that my sound is coming from here. So I use the rubber to tight it, and then when I write, the sound is completely gone. So try, see here? It's the losing part here. You'll probably hear a little bit better if I put my mic a little bit close to there. Can you hear? So this is how I fixed my G2X, the noise sound. I know that I searched online, and then there's absolutely no solutions on the internet. I hope this video can help you to fix your problem. Thank you.